Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm here to show you what I did, like how I put on my makeup when I went to Delhi for the Mama Earth event. I just put up some pictures on Instagram and you guys went crazy. You guys DM'd me, you guys asked me to do the full makeup tutorial on YouTube. So here I am today. I'm wearing the same outfit so that it looks as close as possible. This top, one shoulder top, is from H&M. Also guys, I moved to a new place and this is my new background. So comment down below how much you love the new background. I absolutely love it. Alright guys, so now let's get started. So what I took with me were these two bags. I put my skincare in this one. I'll use exactly what I used that day. And in this bag I have all my makeup. So these are all that I took with me. So I use the Kama Ayurveda Eladi Hydrating Ayurvedic Face Cream. This is the travel size and it's perfect to carry. So I just took this much and applied it all over my face because it was a little chilly in Delhi and I wanted my face to be totally properly hydrated. Chilly days can be tricky for makeup. Your makeup can crack, so it's very important to hydrate your skin really nicely before you start off with the makeup. So just use anything similar to this or this because this one is great. Next I use the M.A.C Strobe cream. This is in the shade Pinklite. It gives such a beautiful glow to the face. I'm very generous with the M.A.C Strobe cream when I apply it. And whatever's left you can just apply it on your neck. Next, to conceal my under eye area because the dark circle is really bad because I just moved and it's been sleepless nights. Anybody who moved will understand my situation right now. So I have to use an orange color corrector and I'm going to use the Sugar Face Forward Corrector Stick in the shade Onward Orange. Brush I'm using is the PAC 219 brush. And just a little bit around my mouth with whatever is left. I'm also going to apply it on the sides of my forehead because I have pigmentation there. For the foundation, I use the Forever 52 Glow Stick foundation. This is in the shade Wheat. What I love about this is it just gives a very natural glow. It does not look like I'm wearing a foundation, it just looks like a second skin. And I'm just going to blend it with a beauty sponge. It blends so easily and beautifully. It just looks like I'm not wearing any foundation. It just looks like my skin but better and just gives a very beautiful glow also to the skin. Now for the concealer, I always use this and this is my favorite. This is the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer and this is in the shade COV005 and I'll just apply generously under my eyes. Next, to set my under eye area, I took the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder in the shade Banana and I just used my beauty blender and applied it under my eyes and I actually baked my under eye area for around 30 seconds or so. So I'll just keep it like that for 30 seconds and then remove it. While I keep it on, I'll just do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm going to take the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. Just going to brush my eyebrows up and just fill in any gaps. That's all I do for my eyebrows and then just brush it again. Now I'm just going to blend the powder for that seamless airbrush finish. Okay, so my base is done. Now moving on with my eyes. The eye look was very impromptu and I ended up loving it. I mean, I used some new products and I ended up loving the new products. So the first product I used was KIRO Longwear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick. This is in the shade Lunar Champagne. It's a beautiful champagne shade. I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelids. And look how instantly gorgeous it looks. You don't need any other eyeshadow. This will look gorgeous all by itself. There's also no need to blend or anything. That's it. I also took one eyeshadow palette with me. That was the Smashbox Cover Shot Ablaze eyeshadow palette. And taking this warm brown, I applied it in the crease of my eyes just for a little bit of definition. I also applied this brown on my lower lash line. And I took the same KIRO eyeshadow stick and applied it also on my lower lash line. Now taking another shade from the KIRO Longwear Brightening eyeshadow stick. This is in the shade Nude Pearl. This is a beautiful golden shade and I applied it in the inner corners of my eyes, just to brighten that area a little bit and the eyes look a lot awake and fresh. Next, I took the Lime Crime Diamond Dew. This is in the shade Rosy something. I'll just link it down below. I'm just gonna take this and apply it right on top of my eyelids, just a little bit for that glittery effect. And this was a game changer. It just elevated the look instantly. Now I'll just curl my lashes and put on a mascara. For the mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. And I'm just going to apply one coat because I'm going to wear false lashes on. Also apply some on my bottom. For my contour, I'm going to use the K-Beauty Contour Palette and I'm just going to use this shade. So I contoured quite a bit that day because it was an evening event and I wanted to go full glam. And my jawline. My flight was on time, thank God, and I reached the hotel on time, so I got enough time to get ready. Anyway, I don't like doing my makeup in a rush. For the blush, again, I used a new product. This is the KIRO Glow On Blush Duo. It is in the shade Classic Coral plus Cool Cinnamon. So it's got two shades in it, and again, I'm in love with this product. So I'm just going to use both of these, and it's pigmented, so be very, very careful and just lightly dab onto the cheeks. Oh God, the people upstairs, they're so noisy. I don't know what they keep doing. They keep moving their furniture and it just creates so much of noise. Oh my God, the blush looks so pretty. So I was going for a full-on glowy look and the highlighter I used, the Merry Luminizer. So if you want to go for a very glowy look, the highlighter plays a really important part. Oh my God, just look at this glow. This is exactly what I wanted. On my nose. Cupid's bow, chin, and a little bit on the forehead. So I'll just wear my eyelashes and be right back. I forgot to highlight my brow bone area, so highlighting it right now. I just put on false lashes and these are the Benefit Real False Lashes Prima Donna Lash. Now taking the Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal, I'm going to line my upper lash line area so that the lash glue doesn't show, so that there are no gaps. That was it. Now for the lipstick, I again tried something new. For the lipstick, I tried the Kero Lipstick and this is in the shade Nude Lily, and oh my God, the shade is gorgeous. The shade is so pretty. Now I'm going to take the MAC Prep Plus Prime and I'm going to spritz it all over my face just to fix my makeup. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you loved this tutorial. I love this makeup look. It looks so subtle yet very glam and it looks gorgeous. And this makeup is perfect for daytime as well as nighttime. And if you end up recreating this look, then please don't forget to tag me on my social media. My Instagram handle is sushdazzles. I would love to see how you recreate this look. Also, just to elevate this look, I'm wearing the Daniel Wellington neck piece and the Daniel Wellington petite watch, and their bracelet. The watch is very minimalistic, and that's the best part. It just elevates this look so much. If you have a tiny wrist like mine, then this watch will be perfect for you because you can adjust the band according to your wrist size, and the bracelet looks beautiful paired with it. And if you guys haven't yet watched my Delhi vlog, then do watch it. Here's my link, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.